Hey, good afternoon, YouTubers and Facebookers. This is Clay and Jeff with What's in the Bay with Clay and Jeff on Saturday, May 5th of day or 6th of day. I'm not sure which A. Anyways, video's fun. You like my blogs, subscribe, share my videos. It's cool. So what we're doing is the 2008 LS. Got that all built. If you've been following me, we got that pretty much installed in the truck. Had to get a new starter for it. Solenoid was bad, so we're just about got that all buttoned up. So we're gonna fire that up this morning. Finally figured out this stinking Nissan power steering issue that we had for made me feel like a retard. Put the Jeep up for sale. Got the nitro sitting out here. The Grand Prix. Oh, good looking out. Jeff brought me milk. Love milk. Got the quad racer up. Gonna get rid of that lump. And let's see, what else did we do? Got a bunch of customers dropping stuff off today. Well, it's gonna be a busy day today down here at Clay's. But we're having fun. What are we gonna do?
Guns N' Roses is releasing.
Anyways, so we're not talking about Guns N' Roses today. We're talking about Jeff and Clay and what we're doing. So subscribe and share. Have a great day. See ya.